Today we're going to be looking at some of the best trading strategies that we've found this month, their setups, settings and all of that great stuff. But before I go any further guys, I have one burning question for you. BTC is skyrocketing at the moment, we're above 50k, and I'd love to know what your predictions of BTC will be for this month and beyond. If you don't mind giving it in the comments below. Don't forget I give a random comment 100 USDT every Friday. So let's get straight to it. Hey guys, I hope you're going extremely well. My name's David and welcome back to my channel where I go through trading strategies. Today we're going to be looking back at some of the settings. I'm going to be doing a series every fortnight where I'm going to be going through some of the best setups that we've found through the previous and the current month. I'll be going through the trading strategy, a high-end overview, and I'll give you links to the full trading strategies in the description below. These trading strategies were all set up by a subgroup of DaviddTech called the Elite Backtesters. The Elite Backtesters are all helping each other to find best settings for trading strategies. So with this video, I hope to entice you and to bring you into our community to come and help find best settings for trading strategies. By submitting your best settings, you get access to everybody else's, and there's absolutely tons of profitable trading strategies. We then connect all of those trading strategies which have been backtested on a deep backtest, so go back as far as we possibly can. We then connect them to an incubation platform, which is like a trading journal called Trade. That gives transparent results on live trading, so you'll be able to see how those trading strategies are performing on current conditions as well. So you get the best of both worlds. You get to be able to see whether it's overfitted or whether these trading strategies really work. So come and join us. You can find the links to Patreon and also to Discord. The links will be down in the description as well. Okay, let's go over to my computer. Let's have a look at some of these trading strategies. I've got about 10 setups to show you today, about 8 which are great and some that hopefully will be great but maybe will be overfit. Okay, here we are on my computer on Trade. So as you can see, we currently have 126 setups. All of them are on crypto pairs at the moment, but we are working on a Forex version of this platform where you'll be able to actually find Forex as well. There's 126 setups in there, meaning that each of them are different. So you can diversify your portfolio, because me personally, I believe that the real holy grail of trading is the diversification of your portfolio. You can see whether the trades have been actually active by this green or red button. You'll be able to see the live trading results for the current month and also the backtesting results. The backtesting results being in grey, and then the forward testing results are in the color at the side. You're able to see the coin pair. By clicking, you'll be able to see the backtesting results graph. And you'll also be able to click and find out more information about that trading strategy, all of its net profits, its max drawdown, and all of the wonderful kind of statistics like its win rate. This one has 100% win rate. We have the average leverage that's used in the trading strategy, average number of times. You'll have a nice graph here. This one doesn't yet because it's only had one single trade. But yeah, you get all of those wonderful things in there. You get the backtesting results, the deep backtesting results. You get all of the trades all put into a nice graph. So yeah, so I'm now going to go through a couple of these trading strategies so you can see what they look like. We're going to start with this one up here, which is a Rune USDT trading strategy. We are using the McGinley trend following trading strategy. Link to the trading strategy will be below, so you understand everything that's behind them. As you can see, each month is in the green up here. I'm not covering up. Let's move myself there so you can see the equity curve. Okay, so the equity curve looks absolutely brilliant. We have a max drawdown of 16%. A 45% win rate, which is pretty good on a altcoin like Rune. We have 557 closed trades. We're backtesting all the way back to 2021, and we have 409% net profit. If I go over to the performance tab here, you'll be able to see that the buy hold return would have been minus 17%. So that trading strategy uses the McGinley, which is this indicator here, the McGinley dynamic, which is an alternative to the moving average and helps us to find the trend. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next one is also going to be the McGinley. We've got 3 or 4 setups for the McGinley here. We're on Maker.USDT on the 45-minute time frame. We have a net profit of 381%, 243 closed trades, an 85% win rate, which is amazing, and a 2.2 profit factor. This equity curve looks very, very smooth. We'll see what happens in the forward testing. Next one is Ava, which is also using the McGinley trend. This is the McGinley trend, as you can see, red and green here. We have 646% net profit, 375 closed trades, 83% win rate. As you can see, this is multiple take profits, so you do have to be careful with these stats when we're using multiple take profits. Has a huge drawdown of 46%. And we have a buy hold of minus 67%. If you would have bought over here, we would have actually been down 67% if you would have bought here. And as you can see, we've actually completely smashed that with 684%. So that is the McGinley. Let's have a look. We have now a super trend trading strategy, which was an old strategy from David. It's called the super trend that works. I'll put the links to this also down in the description below. This uses 3 super trends. So we go over to our indicators here, super trend. So we add 1, 2, 3 super trends to our chart. We're going to be changing all of the values very slightly to 13, 3, 14, 4, and 15.5. Now this will give us our 3 super trends for the works. What we're looking for is all of the super trends to be lined up. So when there are 3 super trends on the chart, all in green, we're taking longs. Look at that entry just there. And when we have a lineup of 3 red super trends here, we're going to be taking a short. And as you can see, this would have been our entry just here. And that would have been an absolute perfect entry as well. Okay, so the equity curve looks great as well. We are on ETC USDT. We have 216% net profit, 117 closed trades, a 58% or 59% win rate. Our max drawdown is 19%, which is more than acceptable on a leverage trading strategy. We have a buy and hold return of minus 23%. So if you would have bought here, you would have actually been down 23%, as we are up 216%. So as I said, guys, this is all of these setups were actually sent to us by the elite backtesters. It isn't me that's gone away and actually found these settings. So if you want to be part of the elite backtesters, like I said, the Patreon links are down below in the description. But if you don't have the equity to become part of the DaviddTech, join our Discord, become part of the conversation, share your settings for a non-DaviddTech trading strategy, and I'll happily give you access for free. This is a win-win situation where you get access to all of the other trading strategies and we give you access to all of our trading strategies in exchange. So yeah, I just want it to work for everybody. I want people to stop actually trading indicators which promise you loads of money and lots of profit, but without them actually being part of a strategy with a good risk management behind. All of my trading strategies have built-in risk management here in this area here. They're all back tested, so you can actually see them. So anybody trying to sell you indicators that say, oh, we can't back test them because of X, anything on TradingView can be back tested. It is very, very simple. I can back test pretty much anybody's indicators. So if you have an indicator you'd like me to back test, I'm quite happy to do it for you, whether they're closed source or open source. They're just trying to sell you dreams, and they're going to be the only people that are actually winning out the situation. Now, nobody, including myself, can guarantee that these will work in the future, but I am doing my best to be able to forward test and back test all of these strategies to make sure they are working on live conditions as well. Let's go over to the next one. The dead zone is absolutely one of my favorite and most profitable trading strategies. We're on Sol USDT on 30-minute time frame. This uses the Wada Ata, which is the Wada Ata exposure line here. This is this indicator here, and I believe is one of the absolute best indicators out there. You can't see it extremely well because it is quite a dark indicator, but yeah, let me have a look at the settings here. If you go over to the settings cog here, you'll be able to see there's a couple of lines. Let me make them a little bit darker. Now this indicator is based on MACD and looks for volatility in the market. It's a volatility indicator, So what we're doing is we're actually flattening out kind of a MACD in its own way with its own Bollinger Bands here. When price comes above this explosion line, which is this white line here, we're actually looking for our entries. It's a trend following strategy, and this is the backtesting results for that one. We got 405% net profit, 188 closed trades, 67% win rate. Profit factor is 2.0, and we have a max drawdown of 8%, which is more than acceptable for a trading strategy that using leverage. If we would have purchased here, we would have had 300%. So we're pretty much following the trend, except we probably don't get all of the big drawdowns, as we've only got 8% drawdown. Next one is the Super FVMA with zero lag version 5. This one has 7,000% net profit. This uses this indicator here, which is the fan tail. This one here, VMA. I haven't seen anybody else using this indicator on TradingView. It is a rare find for DaviddTech users and really hugs the lines here. Look at these perfect entries as you would have been able to get in and out on these entries. Now it uses a lot of indicators other than that one in the background, but this FVMA really was a great find this year. So as you can see, 7,000%, we have 509 trades to close. We have an 81% win rate, a 2 profit factor, and a max drawdown of 18% when you look in comparison to the net profit. That is absolutely amazing. Buy to hold would have been 645%. We absolutely totally smashed that. Look at all of these green months. There's hardly any red months there. Absolutely brilliant. Next trading strategy again is the Super FVMA with zero lag. Another one on BTC USDT. I did say this one here was on BTC USDT on the 1 hour. This one is as well 780%. We wouldn't have smashed that buy to hold. Would have been a little bit above, but yeah, 73% win rate, 224 closed trades. The max drawdown would have been only 14% on that one. Let's keep going. We have TradingView, which is based on TradingView, which I spoke about in my recent video. This is another one of my favorite indicators is this one here. Absolutely brilliant indicator. Brilliant for trend following strategies. Each time you go over into this green, as you can see, it absolutely continues following that trend here. We have some absolute brilliant entries just there. I personally don't think it's very good at predicting reversals. This here, for instance. So you're looking for a trend following strategy and not a reversal strategy. Okay, so let's go over and have a look at these backtesting results for TradingView. We're on BTC USDT on the 50-minute time frame. We have 522% net profit, 290 closed trades, 45% win rate, 1.4 for a profit factor, and a 25% max drawdown. If we look in comparison, we would be 622% in profit if we would have brought the Bitcoin here. So we would have been a little bit lower than the actual buy hold, but maybe would have had less of a drawdown. I don't know. Right. Next one. This one is one of these ridiculous profits over here. 35,000%. Always be very, very careful. This does look like it will be overfit. But I thought I'd show you anyway. It's another McGinley trend following strategy. We have a 70% win rate. Be very, very careful with this one, but certainly is worth back testing. We do have a huge max drawdown of 41% and a profit factor of 3%. Love to see it really happen in real life, 36,000%, but you have to be a bit careful on this one. And then we have a Pepe trading strategy. I thought I'd show this one because we don't have that many low meme coin strategies yet. This one just keeps scalping. Look at all of these wins in a row. This is the Bollinger Bands trading strategy. It uses these Bollinger Bands to take its entries and is absolutely scalping the heck out of the market here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades since the 8th, so about 5 to 6 days ago. Yeah, absolutely amazing. We have a 764% net profit, we have around 295 closed trades, 67% win rate, 1.4 profit factor, and a big marks makes drawdown of 47%. In comparison to our buy to hold, if we would have purchased some Pipit over here, we would actually be down around 59%, as this trading strategy is up 700%, which is awesome. So yeah, so all of these strategies plus over 100 more are put into this Incubate.Trader trading journal platform, so you can see how they perform in real life. You can follow them, you can copy the charts, download the settings, you can add them to favorites to compare them against each other. You can even connect them to Telegram to see how they're actually going in real life before actually ever thinking of trading them. Obviously, trading them is all up to you guys and how you do it and how you diversify your portfolio. I'm just here to give you the best backtesting results that I could possibly find, and actually, like I said earlier, hopefully motivate you towards actually trading strategies instead of just indicators that have buy-sell signals. Although TradingView buy-sell signals are very, very popular, they're not always that profitable, as there's never any fees or slippage in place. All of the DaviddTech strategies will have fees in place and slippage before being put into this platform. Okay guys, that was a bit of a look back at this month. I will be doing this every fortnight so that I can go back to the best trading strategies. Hope it's not too monotonous and repetitive for you guys, but I'm really very, very proud. Like I said, if you want to become part of the elite backtesters, there's several ways you can join. You can join either through Patreon, you can join just by sending me one of your great setups by using the DaviddTech Optimiser. You'll be able to optimize trading strategies, find a setup, and you'll be able to share it with us. If you share one up with us that is good enough to meet the conditions of the elite backtesters, meaning that it's deep backtested and all of that kind of stuff, you will get free access and get access to everybody else's trading strategy as well. So like I said, it really is a win-win situation. Thank you for joining me on this one. But before I go any further, I do have 100 USDT to give away to a lucky winner. Let's get over to my YouTube channel. Okay, here we are on my channel. I'm going to give away 100 USDT to somebody on this video here. We're going to pick a winner. William Hoover, congratulations. You have just won 100 USDT. Please contact me, Vlad or William on Discord. We'll send you a form, and then we'll send you the 100 USDT over to your wallet. Thank you very much for being part of the community, guys. As always, a big shout out to Bybit. You'll be able to find links to Bybit down in the description below. By using my link below, you'll be able to get a 30% reduction on fees, which is a huge, huge reduction, especially, and gives you a great edge on the market. Thank you for joining me. I really do hope to see you in the Elite Backtesters group. We're over 100 people now working together to build this absolutely wonderful community. And as I said earlier, you can get in at no extra cost. If you're already a VIP, you can get in for free if you have a wonderful setup, or you can decide to finance the giveaways that we give away, because we do give away up to $1,500 every month for the best setups, and that is all financed to the people that don't want to actually be part of the group but would just like to profit from it. So there's a financial aspect as well that you could win if you become part of the community. Thank you very much. Once again, have a wonderful weekend. I look forward to meeting you all in Discord. Keep safe, keep trading, stop trading bullshit indicators, and I will see you on Monday. Keep safe. Bye-bye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.